Creature design is incredibly fun and a great skill to learn. Here's how you can start creating your own imaginative animals, monsters, aliens, and more. The first thing you should focus on is studying the individual features of real-life animals. Practice drawing the feet, horns, tails, noses, markings, etc. of various species. You can use those example images to practice if you'd like. This will create a library in your brain of the options you have to make your creature unique. It's also a good idea to practice drawing the various skeleton and muscle structures of animals. You'll notice that many animals have similar skeleton structures that are shaped in different ways. One fun way to start a creature design would be to start with the skeleton, shape it how you like, and build up from there. Another awesome and often amusing way to go about designing a creature is to take 2 or more animals and combine them. This method was used a lot for the creature designs for Avatar: The Last Airbender and for my beloved Swanky. It's really fun to see what kinds of combinations you can create. What I recommend you start doing now is making a folder of unique and cool looking animals to find inspiration in whenever you want to design a creature. It's also a good idea to consider the function or purpose of your creature. For example, is it predator or prey? Is it gentle or dangerous? These decisions should influence your design. When designing a predator, you'd probably want the eyes to be at the front of the head, and for prey on the sides, because that's how real life animals are. You can also be creative with this, maybe designing a prey animal with eyes all over its head so that it can see danger in all directions. Get ideas like this by learning about animals and how they function. Maybe watch a nature documentary as you doodle your own creatures in your sketchbook. You might like to list out some made-up facts about your creatures. How fast can they run? What do they eat? It's up to you. Chances are, you've noticed that some creature designs look like small creatures, like bugs, made giant. For example, in Jedi Fallen Order, there is this large slug-like creature and an even bigger one that resembles a frog. This trick is used so much because it makes for such fun and surprising designs. In video games especially, it makes you feel small when you see something that you expect to be small big. It feels out of ordinary and unexpected, more alien-like despite being based off of real animals. Some creature designs seem completely foreign, not resembling any animal. It takes an extra amount of creativity to design something like this, and you can still find real-world references to help you along. Start by taking a look at some plants. Pokemon can have plant qualities as well as animal ones. Some real animals look plant-like for the sake of camouflage. You could also take a look at inanimate objects, like rocks, or even microscopic things, which have an alien-like quality to them because they are so unfamiliar to us. The possibilities are practically endless, and that's a big part of why creature design is so fun and exciting. For animal drawing tips and tutorials to get you started, head over to this playlist next. Thanks for watching!